Good, well, it's not good morning, but hello everyone, welcome to the next vlog. We've got Bambi at the beach, bless her, first time ever. We're going on a walk. We finished work already. I mean, we've got more classes in the evening, but for now we're finished. We've got a couple of things to do, and then yeah, we're just enjoying the sun. Finally it's come back out. I'm gonna put her closer to the water, but I don't want her to wash away. First time at the beach, girl. Hello, Bamboo. What did you find there? What do you think of the beach, Bamb? Do you love it? Is your nose full with sand? You little cutie. You little cutie. Look at that nose. You wanna clean it, or are you gonna keep sniffing everything? What a beautiful, beautiful day. Wow. Where are you going? Where are you going? Is that a shell?
The whole time, and we did like, we had the box, and then we just did like the strap in off one foot, and then we were doing like
Kicks?
Yeah, kicks and squats and all that stuff.
Hopefully fine. I don't know. I had my eyebrows done. What do you think?
Did you? They're nice. What'd you get done to them?
Wax and tan.
Yeah, that's cute.
They just look a bit cleaner than before.
Bless her.
I'm scared. I have to force her to sleep. You know, puppies need like 20 hours of sleep a day.
Yeah, I didn't know.
20. She has not been doing 20.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I need to sleep like all day.
Yeah.
All the time. All done. I feel like a new woman, and I am literally, I'm gonna grab a bite to eat, and then we're heading straight to coffee training. Again, I don't really know why I'm still going, because I mean I was working in the cafe as well, but it's just not smart exchange of my time, in my opinion. I feel like I can do a lot more useful things with my time, but regardless, I've booked it. We're gonna go. It's gonna be me, Victoria, my partner. My boyfriend was meant to come with us, but I don't think he is, because he's having lunch with his friends. So we'll see. I might go, I might just change my mind and not go, but I think I will. It's fun, and if anything happens, or if they need help or whatever, then if I can jump in and help and like do like really good quality. Or if I need to teach new staff that join, because we are hiring, then do you know what I mean? It's just going to be better. It's going to be easier if I know. In my opinion, the owner always needs to know how to do what needs doing in their business. In my opinion, the owner has to know. You coffee training? Yeah.
Is you need to pour me some shots of espresso and go from there. We'll use this side of the machine. Sharing, in which case I might have to get rid of a bit of foam before I pour the drink. So it gives us an ability to start to work out what's right or wrong before we start. So, nice. Okay.
No, just
It's because the more we bring the jug down, the more air we add, and then when you think it's ready, we can turn it off. It's dipping in the middle, keep going, and that kind of goes, gets wider and wider. Perfect. Slightly more gentle swirl, and now we see that it's so much thinner.
Yeah.
Slightly higher. Yeah, so maintain that speed, bring the jug all the way down. Down, 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 down. Yeah, perfect. My only criticism is it's very fast.
Okay.
So if we slow it down slightly, then you end up with more control. But that's quite minor.
Yeah.
Okay? But I imagine on a reformer,
You want to
right,
go slow.
all dynamic, and it's exactly the same when we're pouring. If we pour too quick, we kind of achieve it, but it's quite panicked. I remember from last time, I'm like a proper freak about texture. So that's ideal. And then more, just a good up it up.
What are you going to do, a lapa? I can try.
So, yeah, that's it. Fantastic. Bring it all the way down. Down, 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 down.
Oh no.
You need to like this way. Now remember this time we're going to try and pour it ever so slightly slow. Perfect. So yeah, that speed, bring it all the way down. It's the middle. Tip, 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 tip. That's it. No, there's that real point. There's a.
I know,
if you'll
I know.
pardon the phrase, there's a tipping point where you go like that, and suddenly it goes, oh yeah, yeah.
I think.
Yeah, that would be good.
Hold your arms straight, stay there. Good, guys. Reach your straight left arm out to the left side. Like you're going to touch the wall all the way back to your hip. We go from the beginning. Bicep curl. Extend, reach forward. Now imagine you have a side table next to you. So you circle your arm all the way around. Your pinky finger touches your hip. Good. Curl. Reach. Okay. 3, 2. Hold your leg out and stay there. Good, guys. You're going to keep your right leg straight. Lower your toes as if you want to touch the head race behind you. Fire your glute lifts all the way back up. Keep it nice and slow. lower, keep spiraling. Bend your elbows, drop your sternum down to the box, lift your back leg. So it's like a seesaw. Bend your elbows, drop down, push up and lift. Good. Bend, push up and lift. Nice. 4, 4, and 3. Hovering on the box, hold it there. Tiny curls with your back leg lift. 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Guys, close all the way up. 2 at the bottom, hold it down, there's curls. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last and final one, hold it there, place your hand on the bar. Right heel, leave the leg all the way back, hold the both on top, bend the left knee. Good.
Everybody, today Victoria's making me matcha. I just actually jumped on one of my instructor's classes. Great class, great instructor. Yeah, really nice lady. Today we have a very exciting day. You're gonna come along and see what I'm up to. But yeah, yesterday was super chill. I literally just went on a beach walk with Bams. We went to a nice cafe. I was literally working all day, all evening, teaching my classes. Very boring. Today's a bit more fun, and you'll see why. So, yeah.
This little girl.
We're back at Waitrose, picking up flowers, the same thing I did last time. Bambi with her auntie! What flowers do you think?
Well, obviously some roses.
Mother's Day, yeah. They need to kind of resemble the ones I've ordered from the wholesaler, so it is kind of this like pastel-y and white. And then I think I'll grab some of these fillers as well.
Bambi, you're such a princess.
Flowers are secured. Bambi's getting carried around everywhere. We're heading back to the studio to get some cool content with these. This is the old sign, and then I'm gonna redo it on this one. It's bigger, sturdier, and also not like ruined.
Like, what, 7-8 weeks now?
No, like 10.
10?
9? Yeah, you can't buy it until it's 8 weeks old.
She's 10 weeks. She's still tiny by 10 weeks.
That's the strawberry one. Yeah.
you have to do this as well.
So you want the pink one?
Lorena's taken over because I messed it up really, really bad.
Trust the person. A coffee actually, sorry there.
So it's been a pretty exciting, eventful day today. The sign, I tried to do it, failed. Lorena tried to do it, failed. Victoria tried to do it. It was just not going well. So I don't know what we're gonna do about the sign. I need someone who's artistic to come and like draw on it. But anyway, nevertheless, yeah. And then we did the flowers and coffee. I got some content with that. Posted it as well. So many emails. Oh my god. But the thing with me is I try to just stay on top of it, because then if you let it stack up, I don't know about other places and other studios, but I have a million trillion emails that come through all the time. So I'd rather just stay on top of it as much as I can. I'm about to go to the studio and plan a class plan classes for tonight and tomorrow, and then if I have time for Saturday and Sunday as well. The good thing is I haven't really been teaching all day, so then I have like a clearer mind kind of, so I'm not stuck in the pattern of my old classes, if that makes sense. But yeah, it'll be fun. I do need like a matcha or a coffee. It's 4:30. This is like the last one I'm gonna have, because if I have anything after 5, then that's a stretch and I'm not gonna sleep. But the thing with me with matcha is I buy it and I never ever finish it. So I don't know, I need to come up with like a extra small cup, just for me, obviously, not to sell, but yeah. Look at my baby! How cute are you? Are you slipping? Are your paws slipping on this floor? Look at this cute little face! Oh my god! Oh! She nibbling, bibbling. She's the cutest little thing. She's my little best friend. She cannot sit down here. She's sliding. I think baby girl hurt her paw, this one, because she's limping on it a little bit. Are you okay, Bubbly? What did you do? She's chasing the cat, terrorizing it around the house. And of course the cat can jump higher and lower and etc. And this hand here, she's limping on it a little bit. Is your hand okay, Bubbly? I changed my mind about the matcha or coffee because I feel like I've got a headache and I feel like I'm dehydrated. I never drink enough water, so I've chosen water. And Bambi just had her din-dins as well. Now she's just chewing on everything she sees. And I actually chose, instead of matcha, just to have a healthy, to an extent, healthy chia with strawberries. It's cacao chia, but I added chocolate chips.